Hey guys, welcome back. This is Beamer Merchant. This is the second part of our video. Initially we have shown you how to remove the headrest. For this video I'm going to show you what I removed, where the screws were, and so forth. Let's continue. For this part I would recommend putting, if your top is down, put it up. First let's focus on the centerpiece. The centerpiece has the top storage and lower storage. The screws you want to focus on are located, there's two down here, and these are Phillips. You then go towards the back, right here. There are three covers. Underneath those covers, you'll find three additional screws. Take those out. After that, you can just pull up, and this whole center console should come out. Now it's going to be a tight fit, especially if your seats are here, so just be careful to take it out and not break it. Okay, once you removed the center storage, you need to remove the side panel. Side panel is held by 7 Phillips screws. Those screws are found, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one is found, there's right there. That's the 7th one. In most cases you're gonna need to use a small Phillips screwdriver. I use something like this. It allowed me to get into, I believe, that one, and especially this one here, because my driver wasn't able to fit there. Once you take this cover off, the mistake I did here when I was taking it off is, this is the speaker, that's a wire, I cut it right here. Unfortunately you shouldn't do that because it connects right there. You pull it and so forth. And lastly, you're gonna have to remove the passenger seat. Now you don't have to, if it's fine, or if you're in the process of just replacing a broken piece, you don't have to. But this is the passenger side. As I told you, there's 4 here, 2 down there, and finally there's one right there. And that is the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, let us know. We'll try to answer any questions you have. If you need parts for a Z3, visit our website posted below. And please, we ask that you support us financially, meaning go to our website. Every purchase you make allows us to make videos like this. Helps us help the community out, saving you money on these do-it-yourself videos. Other than that, thank you for watching. You have an awesome day. You take care.